Seeing no SIM or no connection error on your Apple Watch. This usually happens due to issues with your cellular setup, SIM activation problems, or a poor network signal. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to solve the no SIM or no connection error on your Apple Watch. So let's begin. Solution 1. Eject the SIM card and reinsert it. Before doing that, turn off your iPhone. Now remove the SIM tray using an ejector from the bottom of the device. Take out the SIM card from the tray. Wait a few seconds. Then put the SIM tray into the phone. Now turn on your phone. If it does not work, then change the SIM card and try another. Solution 2. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the reset network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Solution 3. Unpair and repair Apple Watch. Grab your iPhone again. Open the Watch app. Tap My Watch from the bottom of the screen. Now tap All Watches from the top left corner. Then tap on the info icon next to the added watch. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap Unpair Apple Watch. Again, tap Unpair Apple Watch. Then repair your Apple Watch. This is the way to solve the no SIM or no connection error on your Apple Watch. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in another video. See ya.